Hey everyone, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro has officially launched in Europe, marking a significant upgrade over the standard T-Rex 3 and positioning itself as one of the most capable rugged smartwatches in its class. Designed with durability, endurance, and performance in mind, the T-Rex 3 Pro is clearly aimed at outdoor adventurers and serious athletes who demand advanced features, reliable navigation, and long-lasting battery life. Visually, the T-Rex 3 Pro comes in two case sizes, 44 and 48 millimeters, giving users flexibility depending on their preference for a lighter or bolder wrist presence. Both models are built with premium materials, including a titanium alloy bezel and buttons, along with sapphire glass protecting the AMOLED display. These choices enhance both durability and aesthetics, giving the watch a more refined, professional look compared to its predecessor. The displays themselves are brighter and crisper than before, reaching up to 3,000 nits of peak brightness, a notable jump from the T-Rex 3's 2,000 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even under direct sunlight. The smaller 44mm version uses a 1.32-inch panel, while the larger 48mm model houses a 1.50-inch screen, both running Zepp OS 5.0. Battery performance is another standout area. The 44mm model packs a 640 mAh battery that delivers up to 19 days of use on a single charge, while the 48mm model extends that endurance with a 700 mAh cell capable of lasting up to 25 days under normal use. This makes the T-Rex 3 Pro one of the longest-lasting smartwatches available without sacrificing advanced functionality. In terms of features, Amazfit has equipped the Pro version with several enhancements that make it more versatile. The integrated dual-color flashlight is a particularly practical addition, offering not only everyday utility, but also the ability to send an SOS signal in emergencies. The new Bluetooth calling feature, supported by an onboard speaker and microphone, allows for hands-free communication directly from the watch. The T-Rex 3 Pro also supports 6 satellite systems with an upgraded GPS antenna, ensuring more accurate and reliable navigation than before. Sport tracking has been expanded as well, with more than 180 sports modes available, including new additions like rucking. The inclusion of third-party integrations such as intervals.icu and a wide selection of mini-apps makes the ecosystem more flexible for users with specific training needs. Another new health-focused feature is the BioCharge Energy Meter, designed to monitor recovery and provide deeper insights into post-workout recuperation. From a market perspective, Amazfit has set the price of the T-Rex 3 Pro at €399 across all variants, regardless of size or color. Overall, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro represents a polished evolution of the T-Rex lineup, offering stronger build quality, brighter displays, longer battery life, and genuinely useful new features like the flashlight, Bluetooth calling, and advanced GPS tools. It is a smartwatch clearly designed for those who spend time outdoors and push their endurance limits, while still providing everyday conveniences that broaden its appeal beyond just athletes and adventurers. At its current price point, it positions itself as a premium, rugged smartwatch that balances toughness, technology, and thoughtful upgrades. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new video? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.